All right, let's look at the next step in the machine block. So let's go to share screen. Let's go to AutoCAD. Okay, here's where we left off. So I'm going to do a zoom, enter, enter. Give it a chance to wake up. Come on. Z, E. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, let's do the next cutout. You can't really see it too well, but the next cutout is an additional 2.75 and then all the way down. So let's do a little bit of math. We got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. Okay. So I need to put back in some construction lines. So I'm going to go to wireframe. Make sure we're on the right layer, construction. Okay, my UCS is vertical right now, so I need to change it. I'm going to use the 3-point. Pick my origin, something along horizontal, something along the vertical. I'm going to draw a construction line. Goes from here, here. Now, if this ortho was turned off, you would remember how it's wobbly. So I'm going to shift right click, endpoint to there. Okay. Now let's go back, look at their top view, 3.25, 5.25. So again, I'm going to do an offset, 3.25. I'm going to go to up, enter to finish, enter to repeat, 5.25. That way. Now we need to change our UCS. So it's on the vertical face. So I'm going to pick the bottom left corner, something along X, something along Y. And we're going to do this math again. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. So I'm going to offset command, 9.5. I'm going to go down. And I guess I really didn't need to do that, because we already know where this piece is going to go. But I am going to add a couple more construction lines just to make it easy. Where'd they go? Oh, draw construction line. Do one up here. Enter, enter again. Do one here. Y. So now I have this rectangle space. I also have this one. Each one of these is going to be helpful. So the first one, I'm going to draw. I could draw a rectangle and then extend it, but I'm going to do a box. I'm going to pick one corner. I'm going to pick the length. Now notice it's not snapping, so I'm going to shift right click, intersection. I'm going to pick the width, intersection. Oh no, it's not working. See why not? Because my UCS is in the wrong orientation. So I'm going to go back to a 3-point, origin, X, Y. I'm going to go with my box. Going to set our object snaps, add intersection, maybe that'll help. Go from there, I'm going to select length here. I'm going to select width. And for my height, make sure to type negative 9.5. There it is. Now you can subtract this object from the block, even though they're on two different layers. Sometimes it acts weird. So as a precaution, I always select the object that I'm going to subtract and change it to the layer of the object I want to subtract it from. Then I select subtract, select the object you want to keep, the machine block, enter, select the object you want to get rid of, that chunk, okay. Let's change to conceptual, and there it is. You can see how deep it is. Okay. Let's change back to wireframe. Remember, switch back and forth visual styles. They will help a lot. Now I'm going to try one more, the one that goes all the way through. I'm just going to put it on the object layer to start with. Okay, my X and Y are set to my UCS, and it's going to fill this space right here. Zoom out a little bit, and we'll start with the rectangle from here to here. The reason I'm going to start with the rectangle is when you want to subtract something that goes all the way through, it's easy to select it, enter, and just pull it down some huge distance. Then I do a subtract, select the thing I want to get rid of, enter. I'm sorry, select the thing I want to keep, enter, then select the thing I want to get rid of. See what happens. So we go to conceptual, and there you can see it chunked all the way through the part. So now I'm pretty sure I can get rid of some of these construction lines. I'm going to need to put that wedge up here somewhere, but we'll do that in a separate step because it's confusing.